Shame. Shame, Gully, shame.
Get the laser beam thing.
Bad boy.
Gulliver. Little face.
It's the head.
It's about time we had his biscuits anyway, so I'll get his biscuits.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll take them in the garden for them. Shake the pot.
It's a long way to go. You've got to drop down. How are you going to get down? Oh!
Gully, Gully, come on.
Gully, be careful.
Oh my god.
Wow! Incredible! That works.
Yeah, usually has them about this time,
Yeah.
so.
Oh, that's alright.